Mirror Trading International, or MTI, is a South African company that saw tremendous success in furthering the adoption of blockchain technology by enabling thousands of people to enjoy crypto revenue opportunities without the requirements of high initial investment, previous trading experience, or advanced technical knowledge. At the moment, MTI has over 180,000 active members globally. What is the secret to MTI's tremendous success? Firstly, MTI has a proven historical record of being able to provide their members with an average daily profit of 0.5%. But what makes MTI unique is not just the profit. The company focuses on creating a community-driven Bitcoin investing platform. All active members of MTI can freely use the dedicated members portal, which grants them unique benefits, such as the ability to participate in Zoom calls with trading and crypto experts, and members can also benefit from access to educational materials and explanatory videos that discuss crypto from the basics up to advanced trading strategies. Each individual member will find something interesting for themselves, providing people with the opportunity to increase not only their income, but also their knowledge is a great way to further the adoption of blockchain technology, and MTI is a step towards that goal.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful and you would love other exciting videos on tech, growing your business and making more money online, kindly subscribe to our channel at Reed School and click the bell notification icon to stay updated on other upcoming videos we create. You can also connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn at Reed School, or visit us at reedschool.com. Have a great time and keep soaring. Bye.